friends, I'm Ms Karyn, and today I'm going to read Pete the Cat and the Itsy Bitsy Spider. One day, while playing outside with his friends, Pete the Cat spotted something cool. "Look!" shouted Pete. "Wow, it's so small," said Gus. "It's an itsy bitsy spider," said Callie. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Pete and his friends knew just what to do. Everyone cheered on the tiny spider. Pete the Cat said, "Try again, itsy bitsy spider." So, the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Pete said, "Don't give up yet." They all cheered louder this time. Again, the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain, and Pete and his friends shouted, "Go, itsy bitsy spider! Believe you can! Don't give up! Go, itsy bitsy spider! Go, itsy bitsy spider! Go, itsy bitsy spider!" And the itsy bitsy spider kept climbing up the water spout. Everyone celebrated, and the spider took a bow. "Believe you can! Go, itsy bitsy spider! Don't give up!" With the help of some friends, the itsy bitsy spider never gave up, even when the odds were against her. Pete the Cat hopes you like the itsy bitsy spider, and remember, don't ever give up. Have a good day.